Ma'am,
Yes.
repeat the question.
Repeat the question. I have said the question in yesterday's class that you have to tell me the advantages of DBMS over file management system or file processing system. You have not prepared the answer? Please say something, either yes or no.
Mine, ठीक है.
I'm giving you 10 minutes. Please prepare. Why is it so that yesterday I have given one question and no one is yet prepared? Roll number 2. Who is serial number 2?
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Utsav Roy, roll number 2.
Yes. Utsav, whenever you
Good morning, ma'am.
Whenever you introduce yourself to someone, please don't say myself Utsav Roy. Say that my name is Utsav. Please don't introduce yourself as myself Utsav Roy. It is incorrect English. You have to say,
Okay, ma'am.
good morning, ma'am. My name is Utsav Roy. Whenever you introduce yourself, please give that. Okay. Tell me the advantages.
Advantages of DBMS over file system. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
First of all, in DBMS, there are a lot of advantages over file system. Number one, in file system, we know that any information can be lost for many kinds of different activities. But in DBMS, generally, we know that no data or no information doesn't lost. Number two, in file system there was no data security, but in DBMS there was lot of data security, and we know in nowadays a lot of third parties access our data in through internet or other things like hacker etc. Number three, if any file is lost, then that data we can't get from anywhere. But in database, there was a backup and recovery system.
Anything more you want to add?
Ma'am, in file system, if we are searching any data, is too difficult from a lot of files, in which file the data is stored. But in DBMS system, we write a program or write anything to search a particular data is too very easy for us to find from any kind of database or anything. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You prepared quite
Welcome,
well.
ma'am.
I hope that even I think you have not remembered, you must be reading from somewhere. Even if you are reading from somewhere, I'm okay with it. At least you have studied. No one told you to remember all the things. At least you should know, you should learn. Before exam, you should remember the things. Okay, Utsav?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
you.
Serial number 3.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Shovik.
Yes, my name is Shovik Das.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I audible?
Yes, you are
Am I
audible.
audible?
Please switch
Okay,
on
ma'am.
the video. I'm not able to see. Switch on the video.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
switched on the video, ma'am.
Yes.
Already.
Yes, now you are visible. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
There are a lot of advantages of DBMS over file management system. In DBMS, accessing data is actually easy. Database the database manages data in such a way that the response time is fast, and
Couldn't understand. Response time is fast in case of DBMS or in file management system? What you want to say?
DBMS, ma'am. In case of DBMS,
as compared to file management system, right?
as compared to file management system, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
in DBMS, the file is much more secure than file management system. It is easy to recover in DBMS.
That means you're talking about
Uh,
data security, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. DBMS system are DBMS system are much more flexible than the file management system.
Shobik, please switch on the video. Your video is off. You're continuously switching.
Ma'am, I
Now it
switched
is.
on my video already.
Yes, now it is on, but after some time you are again switching off the video. Okay, continue. Again, the video is switched off. Again, your video is switched off. Please switch on the video.
Ma'am, already the video is switched on, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. You are searching or you are reading the website, what I can understand. That means you are not prepared.
No, ma'am.
You have not studied earlier. You must be prepared. You must be prepared to give the answer. Okay, you are not able to give the answer. You are not able to, you are searching where it is written, where it is not written. It is not, I'm not satisfied with your answer. Remember that every day I will give you some work, something to study. All of you have to study, and in the next class you have to switch on the video. And even if you are reading from somewhere, I'm fine with that. But at least you should study, all of you. Serial number 4.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Shantanu. Ma'am, there is a lot of advantages of DBMS over file management system. So first is, ma'am, data concurrency. So when one user is accessing the data in a database management system, database provide the features of concurrently use the same data. Ma'am, it has the features to it has the features to access the same data can be accessed from multiple user aspect, ma'am. That's what I am trying to explain. And there is also easy access searching of data in case of database management system. Also, there is a data in case of DBMS, they offer excellent data security, as it is always password protected in most of the cases, ma'am. Also, DBMS allow data integrity, ma'am. They allow
what do you mean by data integrity?
It allows the user, ma'am, database has the features of providing table constant, ma'am. They have set of rules which has to be followed during creation of a table, ma'am.
Okay.
And it also provides excellent backup, ma'am, database.
When you are giving answer, when you are comparing two things, when you are comparing file management system and DBMS, the answer should be such that in DBMS, the data security is weak. Why it is weak? You have to tell a line or two. Right. After that, you have to give the data security feature of DBMS. Okay. Give a comparison. I am asking what is the, why we prefer DBMS over file management system. That means you have to give the comparison. Why DBMS is better than file management system, that you have to compare. That means first you will tell the file management system's characteristic. Again, on same issue, how DBMS overcomes the overcomes that lacuna or that fault of that disadvantage of the file management system, that you have to justify. Then you go to next point and do the same for that property or that feature also. There should be the proper way of giving answer. Okay, so I hope
Okay.
next time when I will give you questions, all of you will do better. Okay,
Okay.
please switch off the video now. Roll serial number 5. Who is 5? 1 2 3
ম্যাম
4
আমি ম্যাম
5
আমি
দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
ভিডিও অন করবো ম্যাম?
হ্যাঁ ভিডিও অন করো আর অ্যান্সারটা বল।
ওকে ম্যাম।
দেবপ্রিয়া কর্মকার আই সাপোজ।
ম্যাম দেখতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ দেখতে পাচ্ছি। প্লিজ
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
গো অ্যাহেড।
মাইসেলফ দেব কর্মকার এন্ড যদি কম্পেয়ারটা
ওয়েট করো, আমি এক্ষুনি একজনকে বললাম না ক্লাসে তোমরা অ্যাটেন্টিভ থাকো না। আই সেড নেভার ইন্ট্রোডিউস yourself as myself. Myself is totally incorrect way of introducing yourself. You will say hello, good morning, my name is Devopriya Kormukar. Never introduce yourself as myself. It gives a bad impression to the viewer or to the listener. Okay?
ওকে ম্যাম।
Please continue.
ম্যাম অ্যাডভান্টেজেস অফ ডিবিএমএস ওভার ফাইল সিস্টেম যদি বলি, তো 1 নম্বর হচ্ছে স্টোরেজ ম্যানেজমেন্ট। ফাইল সিস্টেমে স্টোরেজ ম্যানেজমেন্টটা নেই, বাট ডিবিএমএস এ মানে স্টোরেজ সিস্টেমটা আছে। সেকেন্ড পয়েন্ট হচ্ছে যদি বলি ডেটা রিকভারি, তো ফাইল সিস্টেমে মানে ডেটা মানে ফাইল ক্র্যাশ হয়ে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনাটা রয়েছে, কিন্তু ডিবিএমএস এ সেই রিকভারি সিস্টেমটা রয়েছে, ডেটা রিকভারি সিস্টেমটা রয়েছে। আর 3 নম্বর যদি বলি প্রোটেকশনের কথা, তাহলে ফাইল সিস্টেমে প্রোটেকশনটা কম আছে, বাট ডিবিএমএস এ গুড প্রোটেকশন আছে, মানে সিকিউরিটিটা ভালো।
That's all. You have to say something more. One thing I observed that you are speaking in Bengali.
Yeah, ma'am.
When you are in a technical college, you must speak it English, because since all of you know that MCA is a 2 years course, after 2 years soon you will face the campus interview. So then they will not, they don't want to interact with you in Bengali. Please try to speak in English. Remember that no one is efficient or proficient in English. Everyone is weak. Everyone has fault. So try to speak. Once you start speaking up, যে ভয়টা আছে যে আমি বলতে পারবো না, আরো যে স্টুডেন্টরা আছে, টিচার্স আছে, কি ভাববে আমি ভুল বলে ফেললাম, দ্যাট উইল গো অ্যাওয়ে। কারা আছে? স্টুডেন্টরা তো তোমার রোজ দেখা হবে, তাদের সাথে টিচার্সরাও তোমার বাড়ির বড় দিদির মতনই হচ্ছে। তো ডোন্ট কেয়ার অ্যাবাউট হোয়াট আদার্স উইল থিঙ্ক, জাস্ট স্টার্ট স্পিকিং ইন ইংলিশ, গিভ দ্য অ্যান্সার্স ইন ইংলিশ। ওকে? And after Devopriya, what was your serial number? 5, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. 6. Who is 6? 6 is absent, I suppose. 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning,
Devolina.
ma'am. My name is
Yes.
Devolina Kundu. Ma'am, there is a lot of advantages of DBMS over the file management system. First is data redundancy. In file management system, there is no data redundancy. There may be the duplication of data, but in the DBMS, there should not be any data redundancy. Means there should not be any duplication of data. Second is data integrity. In file management system, there is no data integrity, means there is no accuracy or completeness of data, but in the case of DBMS, there is a data integrity, but there is a accuracy and completeness and consistency of data. Ma'am, the third one is storage. Ma'am, in DBMS, there is for the storage management, there is easy to storage the data using any
Storage
program
the
or
data.
query.
Store the data. Store the data.
Okay, ma'am. Store the data.
Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue. Continue.
Okay, ma'am. For the file management system, there is the data is not easy to accessible, but in the case of DBMS, there is the data is easy to accessible. The fourth one is the security. In file management system, anyone can access the data, but in the case of DBMS, only the authorized person can only use the data. Ma'am, for example, in a bank, if the clerk, if one clerk is want to access the data of the manager, they can't able to do it because there is particular user ID and password for the clerk and manager, so they can't able to do it. Ma'am, the fifth one is data backup and recovery. Ma'am, in the case of data, in the case of file management system, there may be happen the crash of the data. For that, the data can be permanently lost. But in the case of DBMS, DBMS back up the whole data, so that if there is any crash or other issue, they can recover the whole data. And that's all, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, can I
Next.
stop my video?
Yes. 8. Serial 8. Who is serial 8?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Priyanka
Yes, please
Malakar.
continue.
In file management system, there is no backup. There is providing no backup and recovery option where DBMS has. So in file management, it's a very file management system. It is very less complicated than DBMS, and DBMS has backup and security system. So it provides easy backup system and provide
Unmute yourself. You have muted yourself. There's no voice. Yes, yes. Now speak. Now speak. You have switched off your video and audio. Please switch on your video and audio. Please switch on your video and audio. You can't listen. Okay, so she is not able to answer. I'm keeping your work as incomplete. I'm not marking your work today. In the next class, when the network will be good, you have to give the answers. 7. Who is serial 7? 8.
Ma'am, my name is Devolina Kundu. I am the roll number 7 and serial 7. Ma'am, I have already given the answer.
Okay, good. The answer 8 was, I think, having problem. 9. 9. 10. Oliva Mondor.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Olivia Mondor. There are a lot of advantages in file system over DBMS. DBMS over file system. Number one is data sharing. In file system, we cannot share its data. DBMS, there it is a center for it is easy to share its data for the centralized system. Number 2 is data security. In file management system, there is weak securities, but in DBMS, its security very high. Number 3 is data searching. In file system, we for searching our data, there has lots of application to search its data, but in DBMS, it has only inbuilt system of sharing its data. And that's it.
Your serial number 10. 11.
10.
Who is 11? Tiasha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Let me switch on the video. Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, you are visible and audible. Tiasha,
In case of file system,
wait. Before Tiasha, please wait. Before starting, just
Yes,
give a
ma'am.
small introduction about yourself. Since I don't know, we don't have any proper introduction. I don't think you are from our college, so I don't know you. You are new to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly tell
Yes.
one line about yourself, from where you have done your graduation and where do you stay.
Okay. Ma'am, I have studied mathematics honors from Calcutta University, and then I have decided to continue my MCA
Where
from
where-
Narula Institute of
from
Technology.
which college? From which college you
Oh,
have?
I am from Victoria College.
Victoria College. And where do you stay?
I stay in Rohora currently. Khodda, actually.
Okay. Please continue.
Okay. In case of file system, at first I would like to just briefly introduce what is a file system. In case of file system, it is one kind of DBMS which helps us to access the data one table or one file at a time. And in case of DBMS, it is a software application which helps us to which helps the user to modify, define the data efficiently. So now I would like to tell the differences in the differences of file system. No, sorry, the advantages of DBMS over file system. So at first, data redundancy. Data redundancy means the duplication of data, and in case of DBMS, the duplication of data is minimized as possible, as much as possible. Also it helps in case of storing the files. It helps the storage. And then I would like to tell the point of data consistency. In case of DBMS, it maintains a consistent data. Suppose in the in a DBMS, it is a list of employees. So in one case, there is someone named Mr. Das, Mr. A Das, and in other files, it is showing Mr. C Das. So it is inconsistent. But in case of DBMS, the chances of having duplication of in case of having the same data, in case of DBMS, this happens. This doesn't happen. It is the point of using DBMS. And file sharing. In case of file system, it is a very complex situation when user is trying to share a data. But in case of DBMS, the file sharing, data sharing is less complex. It is more usable. And in system crashing, if the system crashes, in case of file system, there is less data backup. And in case of DBMS, there is a automatic backup system. So user can recover their data from the backup system. And finally, I would like to add data security. in most of the cases in DBMS, the data is protected by as you need to. In most of the cases, data is protected by passwords. So so that only the people that are authorized that can access their data, and there is less chance for any third party to get into the data, and so DBMS is used more than the file system.
Beautifully explained. I like your answer very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm switching off my video now.
Yeah. What was your serial number? Was 11, I suppose.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. 12. Who is 12?
Hello, ma'am. My name is
Yes.
Shovik Pal. I have graduated in Mathematics Honors from University of Bardwan.
Bardhaman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In which subject?
Mathematics Honors.
Mathematics honors. Okay. Where do you stay? At Bardhaman itself?
No, ma'am. I am from Kamarpukur.
Okay. Please continue with your answer. Soon we will get disconnected and we will rejoin. All of you will rejoin with the same link. Okay, continue.
Ma'am, I expressed the file management system and data management system. In file management system, storage is not too much. The data management is hello, ma'am.
Yes, you continue. Your voice is you are audible. Switch on the video and continue. Shobhik Pal, you have muted yourself. Shobhik Pal, you have muted yourself. Join again. Leave the meeting and join again. So that you are able to answer. Shobhik Pal, leave the meeting and join again so that you are able to answer. Not getting answer. Okay, so who is serial number 13? 13? Who is serial number 13? Hello. 14. No one is replying. So I will randomly take names since none of you have written your name. And those who don't want to answer, they can leave the class. If you have to stay in my class, all of you have to interact. Shuman Maiti, unmute yourself. Shuman Maiti, unmute yourself. Shuman Maiti.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on the video and give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. My name is Suman Maiti, and I am graduated from University of Calcutta, and now I am studying in MCA at Narula Institute of Technology.
Which subject? Yours was a pass course?
Yes, ma'am. My BSc General.
Okay. And, from which college?
State Anandaram Jaipuriya College.
Jaipuriya College. And where do you stay in Kolkata?
I stay at City More.
Okay. Please continue.
Ma'am, the principal advantages of DBMS over file system, the first one is flexibility, because programs and data are independent, and programs do not have to be modified type of unrelated data and are added to deleted from database when physical storage changes. And second one is fast response to information request. And because data is integrated into a single database, complex and request can be handled much more and allocating data separately. And in many business, faster response, many better customer service. And third one is multiple access. And database software is allows data to be success variety of and OS, like defined kind of OS, and by using several programming. And fourth one is lower user training cost, or user find maybe which file system database training system which can be low cost and easily increase the which would increase user productivity. Fifth one is less storage. And theoretically all occurrence of data items need to be stored and once, thereby customer eliminating stage of redundant data. And
What
system
happened?
developers,
Please give answer properly. You're stopping. In between, you are stopping. You're giving answer good, but you're stopping while you're speaking. Please maintain the flow of the answer. Okay?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
No need to worry. I know that since you are giving answer in English over online platform, which you are not at all familiar with, so maybe you are having some problems reading from the screen. These are new things for you. So there's no
Okay,
issue.
ma'am.
But please try to read in a flow. Continue.
Ma'am, that's all, ma'am. I
Okay,
read it
so
for
you
5 points.
Okay. So Shuman, what I want to suggest, when you enter in Zoom classroom, please write your serial number, like 10, 11, whatever is your serial number. Today
Ma'am, my serial number is 30.
No, but I can't remember everyone's serial number, right? When you have not written, there are so many students who have not written. So you must write 30 underscore Shuman Maiti. Okay?
Okay,
You
ma'am.
must write
Okay, ma'am.
it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will turn off the video.
Yes, turn off the video.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Amrita Mandal. Amrita Mandal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Please introduce yourself. The meeting will end soon. All of you have to rejoin with the same link. Amrita, your video is frozen. Are you able to listen?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Amrita, I can't listen anything from her.
Okay. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. Please introduce yourself.
Ma'am, I am Amrita Mandal. I have done my graduation from Koilan College of Management and Technology. My stream was BCA.
Okay.
And I'm from South Calcutta, Baripur.
Okay, so it's a long way to come. How have you ever come to college once?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you used to come? Through train?
Yes, ma'am.
Through train you come to Shialda, and from Shialda you changes the train and come to Narula, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How much time it takes from your home to reach the college?
1.5,
it's 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours to 2 hours.
Okay. Please continue.
File system is a traditional database management system, whereas DBMS is a software of database management system, and there are lots of differences in. Ma'am,
you are audible and visible. Continue. I am listening. I think there is a net issue at your end. Again, your sound is not coming. Yes, Amrita. Continue. I'm waiting. Okay, so she's not audible. Priyanjana Roy, 25.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm Priyanjana Roy.
yes, please introduce us.
I have done my BCA from the Calcutta Anglo Gujarati College. I live in Keshtupur. Ma'am.
Yes, you are audible and
Hello.
visible. Please continue with the answer.
Yes, the file system is a traditional way to store our data, store any kind of data, and the DBMS is the soft password. He or she can only access to the software. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. One thing I observed, were you reading from the screen or you remembered something? I think you have remembered something. And
yes, ma'am.
Good. That is good. Because some of the students, I found that they are reading from the screen somewhere. It is okay. I didn't expect all of you to remember everything and give me the answer. It is okay to read from somewhere, from screen, from some online material. But since you remembered, so it's good. Thank you.
Can I turn off the camera?
Yes, please do so. Who is the next one? Arnob Ojha. Arnob Ojha, unmute yourself. Arnob Ojha, unmute yourself. I'm not getting any response from you. Arnob Ojha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please introduce yourself and give me the answer.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. I'm Arnob Ojha. I'm graduated from Vidyasar University in Computer Science Honors. I'm from Paschim Midnapur. Ma'am,
Continue. You're from Paschim. Yeah, sure. Paschim Midnapur and the rest. Where from? What is you have done in graduation? BSc or BCA?
I'm from BSc Honors, Computer Science Honors.
Okay.
Ma'am, my topic is advantage of DBMS over files system. Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Please continue. What happened? I couldn't understand. You got disconnected somewhere. Debopriya Kormukar. Debopriya, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have already given you the response.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Shashwati Sinha. Shashwati Sinha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please continue.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Shashwati Sinha. I have completed my graduation in BCA from Techno India University and I live in Kanchapada, North Kolkata.
Okay.
So, ma'am, the advantage of DBMS over file
First point is data sharing. That is, in file system, data sharing is too complex. We cannot share data easily. But in DBMS, we can share data easily. The next point is, ma'am, data searching. Data searching in a file system is that we have to write some applications and applications to search any data from a file system. But in DBMS, we are
যেমন আজকে আমার এসছে আবার আমি অর্ডার করতে পারি আসার পর অর্ডার করা যাচ্ছে আবার বুঝলে তো হ্যাঁ
Your voice is not clear. Shashwati Sinha. Yes, please continue.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. Today, I will say the advantage of DBMS over traditional.
Introduce yourself.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, ma'am. My name is Debjyoti Mondol, and I completed my graduation at BCA from JS College of Engineering, Kalani. So today, I'll say the advantage of DBMS over traditional file system. I will say some different points. See, nowadays we are speaking about lakhs of data, thousands of data. Okay, so it is impossible to use traditional file system because nowadays we are already know the concept of data mining or data scientist, that kind of things. So it is unnecessary or it is dumb idea to use the traditional file management system. Number one point is we can use thousands of in traditional file system. We cannot use we can store or update that kind of thing in traditional file system. But in DBMS we can do this by SQL query and many more things. Number two is we cannot categorize the data type. Okay, because there are many kind of data type. Float, it may be float, integer, it may be anything. It may be car model, it may be it may be item number, item color. There is lots of data. There are tons of data. We cannot store it in file management system. So it is impossible to think about it that I can store lakhs of data in file management system. But on the opposite side, nowadays DBMS or that kind of thing is very much okay, because we can store many data. No, in file management. Number three is in file management system. There is big problem is we cannot search a particular file because we need to know the location of that particular file. So we are human beings, so it is impossible to remember the particular file location. We can remember maximum 10 files. We can remember the thousands files of lakhs files. Okay. But in DBMS, we can store lakhs of files easily. Number four is file system. We cannot give access to multiple people. We can give access some limited people, but in DBMS we can give access lakhs people. For example, suppose in ticket booking system lakhs of 7 lakhs or 8 lakhs of people, they are booking their tickets in one time. Okay, so there is multiple user can access the data through DBMS. Because nowadays this is the era of client client server. Okay, by DBMS we can give access of our we can give access of our data. We can share our data with our client, with our customer. And okay, and my fifth point is the data fetching problem. In traditional file system, suppose we have 950 GB of data, and we have to find only 2 KB or 3 KB of data from that 915 GB file. So in traditional file system, we have to access. We cannot directly access the 2 KB 2 KB file. We have to first access the 90. We have to access first access the big file. Then we can access the small file. But in DBMS, no need to do this. We can do. We can directly get access the short file or the 2 KB file. And another point is, okay, suppose there is a banking system. Okay, if we give an example of banking system, then we will show that if I have balance smaller than 1,000 of 50,000. Okay, in traditional file system, it is very much hard. It is not possible to find that find or check bank balance individually. Okay, but in DBMS we can check bank balance of individual. Those who have bank balance greater than 10,000, they should give tax. They should give 10% tax of that. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Your answer was what I found. Your answer was you were in little hurry. You seem to be in a hurry. You hurriedly gave the answer. Isn't it? If I am not wrong. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You hurriedly gave the answer. You were, I don't know why you were in hurry. You should have given answer slowly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let us go to next student. Who is next one? Sujata Shaw. Sujata Shaw. Not getting any response from Sujata Shaw.
Network problem. I'm in college. So I am using college network. That's why it is giving the trouble.
No one is getting answer. I couldn't. Shayok Aditya. Shayok Aditya. Not getting any response from Shayok Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
When you know that you have not presented, I am asking from name. You should unmute yourself and present. Isn't it? Why are you sitting?
Yes, ma'am. Can I continue, ma'am?
Yeah, please introduce yourself and then continue.
Ma'am, I'm good morning, ma'am. I'm Shayok Aditya. I done my graduation from Barashat College, and currently I lived in Barashat also. Today I am going to explain the advantages of DBMS over file system. So at first, I want to say about the data redundancy. In DBMS, there is in file system there is a chance of duplication of data. And in the other hand, in DBMS, there is there is no chance from redundant data. If I give an example, if a student applied for two courses in a college, and the data will store in two departments. So when you try to get the data for then it's a problem to access it quietly. In the second point, I want to tell about the easy access of data. In the file system, there is the accessing of data is quite difficult. But in the DBMS, you can access data access data quite easily. And in the third point, I want to tell about the major point of major advantage of DBMS over file system, the data security. Here, data security, the DBMS, the file system don't have proper security to secure the data, but in the DBMS, the data can be secured through password and user ID. So when any third person want to manipulate the data, they can't do it quite easily. In the fourth point, I want to tell about data recovery. In the file system, the data recovery is quite difficult. But in the in DBMS, the file recovery it can be done because there is recovery option in DBMS, so we can access the deleted data by recovery system. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. You also seem to be in a hurry. I don't know why. সবাই তাড়াতাড়ি তাড়াতাড়ি যতটা তাড়াতাড়ি পারছো
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why? All of you
Yes,
were
ma'am, sorry.
nervous or something else?
Yes, ma'am. Quite nervous, ma'am.
I don't know why all of you are nervous.
Ma'am, can I turn off the
Switch
video?
on, yes, you can switch on the video. I can understand that switching on the video is a real trouble for you, if I'm not wrong. I don't know why all of you are so frightened. You are frightened about me or your friends? I don't know that.
Yes, ma'am. Camera conscious, ma'am.
Everyone. Brototi Roy.
Lot of them, ma'am.
Brototi.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. I am Sujata Shah. Actually, I missed the. You called my name and I have missed the class. That's why.
Okay. Brototi, please speak later. Let Sujata speak first. Sujata, please switch on the video.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, I am Sujata Shah, and I am from Kolkata. I have completed my BCA from Techno India University. Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, please go ahead.
Advantage of DBMS over file system. DBMS have lots of advantage nowadays. Number one is data redundancy. Redundancy is the concept of repetitions of data again and again. It has more than one file. And number 2 is data sharing. In file system, we cannot share the data very easily, and in DBMS we can easily file very easily. And number 3 is data concurrency. In DBMS we can use file at we can use the data at the same time again and again. And in DBMS we can easily recover and backup the file, and it is a file it is a time consuming, ma'am. And data security, it has a high security level.
Something more?
Or miss data crashing. That's it.
Nothing more?
Ma'am, data searching, we can easily search our data.
Okay. Okay. So, did you introduce? Yeah, I introduced yourself. Okay, you can switch off the camera. Brotati Roy, please switch on. Brotati Roy, please switch on.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly introduce yourself.
I am Brotati Roy. I graduate from Calcutta University from City College. Now I am.
What was your subject?
Live in
You were
BSc General.
Okay.
BSc General, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Where do you live?
Barashat.
Okay.
Now can I start, ma'am?
Please.
DBMS is a software. DBMS is a software application that used for accessing, creating, and managing databases. And file system is a software that manages and storing data in a storage. Manage and accessing data in a storage. In DBMS, data searching is more easier, but in file system, data searching is more harder. Data security is in DBMS. Data is more secure, that no unauthorized person can access the data, but in file system that may be occurred. Data redundancy in file system, same data can be repeated in several places. That is can be for that reason it may be duplicacy, but in DBMS same data never be repeated. Data concurrency at the same time. Many of the authorized people can access data in DBMS, but in file system it not possible. Backup and recovery. Since DBMS backup all the data, it is easier to easier to recover all the data in case of failure, but in file system it is not possible. Data sharing is more easier in DBMS than the file system. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, explained well, but once again you are in a hurry. I don't know why all of you are in a hurry. যত তাড়াতাড়ি পারো
ভয় লাগছে।
আরে কাকে ভয় লাগছে? আমাকে, আমি কি তোমায় খেয়ে ফেলবো নাকি? তোমার তো এটা ক্লাসমেট, এখন এদের সাথে 2 বছর পড়তে হবে তোমাকে। ভয়টা কাকে লাগছে আমি তো এটাই বুঝতে পারলাম না। আমি তো কলেজেরই লোক নাকি? আমি তো বাইরের লোক নই। এবার 2 দিন পর যখন বাইরে থেকে লোক আসবে তখন তো তাহলে ভয়ে তোমরা সবাই ভয় পাবে। কাকে ভয় পাও? সবাই সবাইকে ভয় পাচ্ছ আমি দেখছি। কেন সবাই সবাইকে ভয় পাচ্ছ আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। সবাই সবাইকে ভয় পাও। যাই হোক, আমি ভিডিওটা অন করেছি বিকজ আমি কলেজে আছি আর কলেজের ওয়াইফাইটা পুয়ার আছে, তাই তাহলে আমি ভিডিও অন করেই বসতাম।
আমি ভিডিও অফ করব?
হ্যাঁ, অফ করো। শান্তি না ভিডিও অফ করতে পারলে, তাই না? শিগগিরই ভিডিও অফ করে দাও। আচ্ছা, কে বাকি আছো বলো তো? দেবপ্রিয়া কর্মকার হয়ে গেছে তো? দেবপ্রিয়া হয়েছে তো তোমার?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম হয়েছে।
আর কেউ বাকি নেই, 19 জন হয়ে গেল। আস্তে আস্তে participants reduce. I don't know why so many participants have reduced. Some of you are sending messages in WhatsApp group, but please
ম্যাম
be
আমি বাকি ছিলাম।
বলো শুভরূপ সরকার, বলো।
হ্যাঁ
এবার
হ্যাঁ
তোমাকে ভিডিও করতে হবে, এবার তোমার ভয় লাগবে, বলো।
না না না
তাহলে আস্তে আস্তে বলো, ধীরে ধীরে বলো। No need to hurry.
Visible, ma'am?
Yes, you're visible as well as audible.
Okay.
Soon the meeting end. If meeting ends, please rejoin. Because since it is a lab class, so I will show you something related to lab, how to start with. Okay, please continue.
Ma'am, at first I define a file, what is file management, file system, and what is DBMS. File management system is a DBMS that's allows access to single files and tables, and in a file system, data is directly sorted in a set of files. In DBMS, ma'am, in database management system, application software that allows to users to maintain the tables and edit and update the tables, and their in advantage DBMS over file system. The first point is data redundancy. Redundancy is the concept of the repetitions of the data in file management system. The repetitions of data is not happen, but whereas in DBMS there is a special features who can access the redundancy হবে না আর কি, অ্যাকচুয়ালি ভুলে গেছি। আর ম্যাম ফাইল সিস্টেমে ডেটা শেয়ারিং হয়, in the file system data sharing is not happen, but in DBMS data sharing will be happen. And next point is data concurrency. Concurrent access of data means the one user can accessing the data, accessing the same data at the same time, but in file system these features is not provided, but in the DBMS the data concurrency is happen because of the DBMS have space application software. Data searching in file system, you can only access the file at a one time, but but in DBMS you can find the data in minimum time with multiple persons. Now is the system crashing. File system management, when the system is crashing, the file system management does not have the recovery option to recover the data, but the DBMS have the had the recovery option to fetching all the old data. And last point is, ma'am, data security. But in the file management system, you can has a password protection, but that password protection is too poor. Then the DBMS, because DBMS has a special operation to protect the data. Thank you, ma'am. That's it.
Can you tell me why are you clapping?
Ma'am, actually, I am forget the yes, ma'am.
I didn't said anyone to remember. I said to read. If there is an online material, you can definitely read. Since I taught this topic yesterday, so one day is definitely not enough to remember the things. So you have to read. I just want all of you to study. Whatever I have explained, whatever I have given, you should study it.